and you have the view of Laguna Bay. What's up guys? Another project, another day. Welcome back to Blind Central. So for today's video guys, maritime project sa East Ridge, Rizal. Yun naman, behind me guys, yung project natin. Ang ganda ng architecture guys. At papagandahin natin ito mamaya with our curtains. So, our location, we are in the Happy Cabin, Rizal. So, later guys, after we finish the project, magmamontage tayo, papakita natin kung paano natin pinaganda yung resort nila, ma'am. Okay guys, tara na, let's go! Okay guys, mini house tour lang tayo. Akit tayo ngayon sa resort nila, ma'am. Dati wala pa to lahat. Very bare pa lang to. Ngayon, ganda na guys. Diba? Tignan nyo naman. So, akit tayo. Mini house tour lang. So we are here. So we're here in the entrance. And as you go upstairs, the first thing you'll see is the swimming pool. So if you want to relax, you have the swimming pool just right over there. Pwede na mag-swimming. And you have the view, Laguna Bay. Ganda guys. Parang pwede tayo mag-book dito after we install this guys. Malay mo,